innovative international visual theatre. We've got lots to offer, but in particular the show Plucked by the company Invisible Thread, which is a very funny and anarchic piece of English humour. Lots of very rude and funny puppets and object theatre. I think Polaris, by the Czech company Orient Ideal, is a lovely piece of physical theatre. It's about two Arctic explorers who get lost, and as they become more and more hungry, they're lost, they're more and more desperate, and they start to hallucinate and they become these animals that they see around them. Powerful piece presented by the Austrian company Company, which is a dance and physical theatre piece. Powerful world full of interesting, wonderful creatures, and it's a meditation on the dangers of genetic manipulation. I think Manipulate's all about encouraging audiences to come and see work that they might not otherwise come and see, because it's very